So basically, some months ago, I actually got a project to build a lawyer farm website just like this. So, and as it happened, the particular template I want to use was an HTML template. Do you get? So, but I have a friend or a colleague that actually had the template. So, and he was willing to sell it for me for 50,000 naira. So, but unknowing for me, I just, that was when I discovered that this template was also here on Themeforest. And, there's a method that I normally use to get templates like this, all of these templates that you are seeing here. There's a method that I normally use to get them for free. So, what I'm talking about is, for example, if I want to build a website that needs a template like this for an hotel. So, now let me preview it for you to see how the web template looks like. So as you can see, this is an hotel website template. So basically, if I'm gonna use this type of template now, I'm supposed to just come and purchase it here. But there's a method I normally use to get this template for free. So what did I do? So when I discovered that the template was to sell to me, was also on Themeforest, I was just like, never mind. And that was how I just searched for the template here, and then I got the template by myself. I copied it using a software I'm gonna be showing you. So stick to the end of this video. I'm gonna be showing you in a few moments from now. Still the same format that I used to also build this lawyer agency website as well for another firm. So I've used this method to build a lot of websites for my clients. I don't have to buy templates. I'm just gonna be showing you how to also get them for free, so you can have chances of getting more profit from your project. So if this is your first time of seeing my channel, this is Gcoin Tech World, and this channel, all we do is we create videos regarding web design and web development. So if you are interested in learning anything about web design, you can just check out my other videos as well. So without any further delay, let's just go in straight into how to copy any type of template that you want to use on Themeforest for free without paying any dime. So first of all, for those who do not know what Themeforest is, so Themeforest is actually a website that has diverse stuffs for web design and graphic design, video, and so on. Like we have WordPress, premium WordPress themes, and then we have HTML templates, Shopify, and many more. So in case you've not watched the video I also created on how to get WordPress themes, premium WordPress themes for free, and also WordPress plugins, you can also check in my channel probably after this video. So basically is a different method. The one I shared in the other video on how to get WordPress themes is a different method. So this one I'm sharing with you now is how you can actually copy those HTML templates yourself to your own computer, so you can reuse it whenever you like. So these are the HTML templates, and as you can see, we have all of them are being sold for various prices. So, and you can just search for whichever one you want to use depending on the project you want to work on. So like for example, I showed you example of some of the lawyer templates. So you can also search for anyone. Let's say for example NGO. Probably want to build a website for NGO. So these are different charity NGO templates that you can go for. So you can just go to best sellers here to see the ones that people are buying the most. So you see, as you can see, so this one Lifeline is the one people are buying the most. Then we have Charity, we have Elpo, Born to Give, and so on. So depending on the type of project you want to do, you just have to come here to search for the niche. Do you understand? So but basically let's use let's use real estate for this video. Let's use real estate. for this video. So you can explore whichever niche that you want in your own case. So I am just trying to use real estate for this video. So I'm gonna scroll down to and look for templates that has real estate in them, because whenever you go to bestsellers, the majority of the time the first set of template you're going to see are the multi-purpose templates, and multi-purpose are for different niches. So because if you go into this now, it's multi-purpose, so it might have real estate in it, so that's why it's ranking. So I'm just gonna go down to whichever one I see that has real estate in its name, not the multi-purpose templates like this. Now real estate templates. So now if you want to see, you can either click on it or live preview. So if I should click on it here now, let's see. So as you can see, this template is simply being sold for just $23. So let's see how it looks like. Let's click on live preview. So that is how to preview the template. So let's see how it looks like. So as you can see, real estate full package templates. So let's see. So they are segmented in different full screen map, full light. So let's just click on one of it and see. So I don't know why the banner is taking so much time to load, but let me just scroll down. So as you can see, we have all these stuff here. So that is just how it is. So whichever niche you want to use, you can just come here to search for the niche. So let's see this. So you can just be clicking on the live preview straight away from here to just see the preview immediately. So you see this another one. So let's see another one. So these are different templates, as you can see. Find houses, real estate. Let's see this one too. See all demo. Let's scroll down. So this one even has different demos inside of it. So let's check this one. So do you see? So with these things we have different templates that are available. So I'm gonna be showing you how to use these things. So now let's assume we're gonna be going with this real estate right now. So now, and I'm gonna prefer to, let's say we gonna prefer to go with this one. So all we have to do is just to get a particular software that we're going to be using to copy this website, and after copying, I'm going to show you how to edit it, like change the logo, the name of the website, and everything. So if you stick to the end, you'll be seeing how I do it by myself. So let's go to google.com. I'm going to perform a search. So we're going to be downloading a software called HT-Track. So this is it right there. I'm just going to click on it. So this is the software we're going to be using to copy our template. If you have watched my previous video that I did on how to clone a website as well, if you haven't watched it, you can also check my channel for that. So probably after this video. So this was the software I used in that video as well. I used it to clone a full-blown website. So I used two software in that video. I used HT-Track and Satec Web Copy. So I'm also going to be touching that too. So just come to download here. So just come to download here. Then scroll down. So depending on the PC you are using. So like me now, I'm using a Windows PC. And then I'm using Windows 11. So you look at your own Windows. So basically, I believe you are using Windows, it should be around Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. So if you are using any of those type of Windows, just you don't even need to know the type of Windows you're using. What is just important is that you go and download the one that has x64. That's the one that is important. This one here, x64. So Just click on it, close. So then you're gonna download it. So basically I have downloaded it before, but because of you guys I had to uninstall it just to show you the whole process. So now I'm gonna be doing everything from scratch again. So I'm going to go to my downloads here to locate it. So this is it right here. So I'm gonna double click on it. So I'm gonna click on next. I change this to I accept, then click on next, next, next. So just leave all these ones like this and click on next, then click on install. So launch. So we're gonna off this, so you can just leave this on. So it's gonna launch it for us right now. So after doing this installation, when you go to your desktop here, you're gonna find this it right here for me. So and this is Saltech web copy I was talking about. So I'm just gonna get back here. So now English is gonna be on English. So that's just it. So you click on next. So that's how to start using it. So what is the project name? So let's say a real estate website, or let's just say real estate HTML template. Project category, you can give it any category you like. So where are you gonna store the because what we're doing is we want to copy this the HTML template. We want to copy it on our PC, so you can use it on any hosting of our choice. You can use it for any website you want. So where do you want it copy it into? So you can just choose any part of your choice. So but basically I normally use documents. So inside documents, so where should I put it? Don't know. Okay, let me just choose this one. So you to select wherever you want to put you want to copy the website, then click on next. So now what you want to do here is I'm going to put the link of the website template you want to copy. So I'm just going to come here to where is the website? I think this is it. Yeah. So you have to copy these links. So there's still something I'm going to show you before we end, and that is how to copy websites like this that are still inside the Themeforest subdomain, like you see preview. So you can't copy websites directly like this that has this Themeforest here. So there's a way you can do that, and that still has Envato Market. No. So do you understand? The reason why I'm able to just copy this link is because I've left this section that has Envato Market. So I'm going to show you how to do that for templates that has this type of thing on them. So but let's try this for, because whether you like it or not, you might not be, this method does not work 100% for every template. Do you understand? So it's gonna put the link here, so it doesn't work for every template, but 80% of the time it works. Do you understand? So I'm gonna click on next. I'm gonna click on finish. So we're going to wait for, depending on the size of the template, how big the files, everything is, that will determine how long it's gonna use to copy it for us. So like this template now, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'm just doing it. So this is a live video, so let's see what's gonna happen. So we're just gonna wait for some time for all of this to finish copying. Yeah, so finally I had to pause the video, so it has eventually finished copying the website. So and once it finished, you can just click on this finish. So that's all. So if you want to copy another one, just click on next. But now let's go on and check the result of all the templates we copy. So I'm just going to go to documents where I saved it, Oliver files here. So this is it right here. As you can see, we have real estate HTML template. So that's what we call it. So I'm just going to open it. So this is it, index. So I'm just going to double click on it and let's see. Exactly. So as you can see, it has successfully copied it for us, and as you can see, this is the template. Let's go down and see other things. Yeah, exactly, we have everything in place. We have everything. So another thing you need to check is the pages to make sure those links are not broken. So let's check let's check other pages and see if everything's loading good. As you can see, this is the URL, the where I saved it, Oliver files, then the file structure. So you just have to check every. So once you check one or two pages and they are showing well, then it means every of the other pages too will definitely be showing. Do you understand? So that is essentially how to copy, because when you actually make payments for the template. So let's say for example, if you actually go on ahead to buy this template from Themeforest, what they are actually going to be giving you is exactly what we just copied right now. So if you come to Themeforest now and say, okay, I want to make payment for the theme, so what we'll be getting, exactly what you'll be getting, is what we just downloaded right here. So just like you understand, so that's just how it is. So like I said I'm gonna show you how to copy for templates that actually displays under the Envato Market header. So because if you should copy this link and put it in HTML HT tracker, it's gonna give you an error, and and even if it copies, all this Envato is not supposed to be showing there. So now what you need to do is so do you see, so there are some templates that when you try to preview them, they are gonna be under this Envato element header, and we don't want to have it. We don't want to have this thing here. We want to have their direct link. Their direct link that does not include preview.themeforest.net, just like this one. This is the direct link. So let me quickly show you how to get the direct link so that you can copy. You can be able to paste the direct link in the HT track to copy it. So it's very simple. So now this is for example, now this is this template that is under preview.themeforest. So if you want to get the direct link, it's very simple. All you have to do is just come to this logo here, right click and click on open a new tab. So now what we want to do is it's going to give us the URL that this logo is hosted on, and whichever URL that the logo is hosted on is actually the link, the URL link of the owner of this template. And as you can see, it is creativelayers.net that owns this template, and why they are saying it on Themeforest, you understand. So now for us to get this template, so for us to be able to get the direct link of this template from this creative layers, now it's very simple. All you have to do is just you have to delete all these file parts here. Delete it to where we have this place. So make sure it is creative.net/change then this template you want to get. So now we should have the using. So this is now the link you're gonna copy to this link gonna copy to HT track. This thing. So you can't copy this. So this is what you're gonna copy. So that's how you're gonna do for every template that is previewing under Envato Market. For example, we want to do for these two, just right click, open image in new tab. It's gonna give you the exact link that hosts the template. Sorry. So all you have to do is just delete the part that leads to the logo. So it should be from here. Exactly. So, and this is the link you're gonna copy. So that's how to do that. So now let me just quickly show you how to edit. Like I told you already, that I'm gonna show you how to also perform the edit. So probably after you've copied the template to your laptop and you want to start using it for your project, one of the few things that are very, very important is how to change the logo, how to change the website name and other stuff. So basically this it's gonna be very, very easier for you if you are already a coder. I mean, if you know how to develop website with code, probably using HTML, CSS and other programming language like that. But even if probably you don't know how to code, so I'm still going to show you how to quickly do that. So a lot of people use virtual VS Code, but when I started coding, I started with a text editor named Sublime Text. So let me show you Sublime Text. So this is Sublime Text. So but there's virtually nothing that we do on Sublime Text that you cannot do on VS Code, because a lot of people are already familiar with VS Code. So I wouldn't say you should stop using VS Code, but there's nothing you do on Sublime Text that you can't actually do on VS Code. So these are my current projects that I worked on recently. I'm just gonna close everything. So now the first thing, if you're gonna change the logo, is very, very simple. So now let's go to the URL of the website we copied. So this is it. This is the one we copied. So if you want to change the logo, you just need to know the file path of which the logo is stored. So and how do we do that? Just like how I showed before, just right click on the logo and click on open in image in new tab. So with this now, it's going to show you the file path where the logo is located, and the logo is located in so after we open Oliver Files, you have real estate HTML template /code theme.com/HTML /find houses /images then /logo. So we're going to use this to trace the logo in our files. So now we go back to the files we copied, which is here. So we're gonna trace it just like that. So after Oliver Files, so we are to go inside the code theme.com. This is it right here. So we are to go inside the real estate HTML, of which that is where we are. This one, real estate HTML. So we open it, then code theme.com, open this, then HTML, we open it, then find houses, we open it, then images. So where's images? Is it here? Then that is exactly where we're gonna find our logo. So now just scroll down there. Let's look for logo white.svg. This is it here. So logo white 1. So that is exactly where this is where our logo is. So it's very, very simple. So now if you're gonna change the logo, all you have to do is just create your logo, the logo you're using, then come and put it here and delete this one. Then you rename the logo to the one you want to use. Let me see if I have any svg logo, because it has to be .svg. It has to be an svg file. So if the logo you found in the template you copy is a JPEG or PNG, then whatever format you find is the format you're going to use. So you have to understand that. So let me check my downloads. So I think this is a logo here. It's an SVG file. So this let's try this logo. As you can see, it's an SVG. I don't even know how the logo looks like, but I just want to show you how it works. So I'm gonna copy this now. I'm gonna copy this. Copy. So I'm gonna come to these images now. So I want to paste the logo here. Right click, then I'm gonna go to show more options, then I'm gonna paste it here. So what do you want to do? What I want us to do is simply come here, right click on it. So I want to copy the name of this logo, which is logo white one. So once I copy it, if I should delete this now, so basically if I should reload this, then the logo is supposed to disappear just like this. And if it doesn't disappear, I'll just try and load it in another browser. All these things do normally cache in data. So once it has disappeared, so we know we are in the right folder. So I'm just gonna rename this one now to the name of that logo. So that's essentially one. So let's see. Okay, so this is the logo. So do you see? So it has been changed. So I think you understand what we just did now. So basically that is how to change the logo. So if you want to change the logo of the footer, so that is essentially what I'm going to do. Just click on this, open a new tab, then look at the file structure, the location, then what is the name of the logo footer.svg. Then you look for it here. Where is it? Logo footer. So this is it here. So you put the logo, you copy the name of this, delete this one and rename. So that's essentially I've changed logo. So if you want to change the name of the website, so I want to change the name of the website. Where is it? So I think the name of the website is find house. The name of this template is find houses. Let me see. Wow, it's not even they are not really using it. They only used it in the logo, so they are not really using it in the text. So I would have shown you how to change the name of the website wherever the name of the website is used in the totality of the website. So probably let me just use something else to do at this example, like this one, findhouses.com. So yeah, find houses. So now we know the name of the template is find houses. So now let's assume the website you are building, the name of the company is maybe property rental. So I'm going to change every places where find houses is being used on this template to property rentals, so that it will be everything will change to property rentals. So you can do that from your Sublime Text. So just go to Sublime Text now. So that's our text editor. If you want to get Sublime Text, not hard, just go to Google and search for Sublime Text. So just like we downloaded HT Tracker, that's the same way you're gonna download Sublime Text. So you can also use VS Code for this purpose, but like I said, I normally use Sublime Text for coding. So what I want to do right now is I just want to open, I want to go to find here. I'm going to go to find in files. I'm going to go to find in files. So so now let me delete all this place. So what am I finding? We are finding all the find houses that are on that website, on the template rather. All these find houses. How should I copy it? Okay, copy. So get back to Sublime Text, find houses. So delete everything we have here. So for the where, just gonna click on these three dots, then want to add a folder. So just click on add folder. So the folder you want to add right now is the folder where we saved, where we copied the template. So Oliver files, then go to real estate HTML. So then everything is inside code.theme.com. Select folder. So in this place, you're gonna delete what we have here. So this is the one I did recently. So now click on find. So it's gonna find, you see, it's gonna display to you everywhere in the website where find houses is being used, exactly everywhere. So once it has shown you, so what I have to do next is go to that finding files, then what is the name of the what do you want to replace all these find houses with? So I want to replace it with property rentals. So property rentals. So I'm just going to click on replace. So it says replace 466 occurrences, meaning that find houses is being used in the website in 466 times across all the pages. I'm going to click on replace. So once you do that, it will open all of the files, all of the pages where the replace has been done. So all you have to do is just go to files here, then click on save all. So it's going to be saving all of those pages. See right here. Yeah, so it has finished saving. So now we should come back to our website now. All of the find houses should have changed to property rentals now. As you can see, everything has changed to property rentals. So if you go to any pages of this website where find houses has been used before, it would have changed to property rentals. So that is how to change the name of the website. So that's how to change the logo and the name of the website. So guys, that is essentially how to copy any HTML template of your choice from Themeforest without spending a dime. So this will lead us to the end of this video. So if you have actually learned anything from this video, guys, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell button to be notified whenever I drop helpful videos like this regarding web design and web development. So if you haven't watched my other videos or so, you can check out my other videos from my channel to learn more about web design and development. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.